In primetime news this evening, she's doing well. PNP says former Prime Minister Portia Simpson-Miller receiving care in hospital. Climate change having a detrimental effect on some outdoor jobs. And tourism stakeholders hopeful of new additions in shrinking labor pool.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're live on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Kelisha Williams. There's also sports, e-prime and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question. And this evening we're asking, how do you stay safe when celebrating on public holidays? Share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica and tweet us at TVJ News Center. Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.